Welcome back, folks. Check it out. Nice little Volkswagen for you. This is a Jetta SEL Premium 2.5. So she's got the straight 5-cylinder motor. She's got the vinyl leather interior, heated seats, navigation, factory sunroof, got the sport alloys, ice cold air, Fender sound system. Nice car, folks. 2 owners, good Carfax on her, fully serviced, safety inspected, road tested, and this one's ready to go, folks. Going to be our budget car of the week, and we're going to start the down payment at $795. That's correct, $795 for a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta SEL Premium. DasCleveland.com.